In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to reset PlayStation 4 controller without the reset button. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, at the back of your DualShock 4 controller, there is a very tiny reset button that you can press using a toothpick or a similar object. However, if this button did not help you solve any sort of issue that you might be having, or you cannot physically access it, then I'm gonna show some alternative methods to help you reset your controller. The most common one, if you don't want to use that button, is to simply restart your PlayStation 4. So, by restarting the console, you can potentially resolve temporary issues related to the console or the controllers connected to it. So, go over to the quick menu and find the option to restart the PlayStation 4. This will automatically reboot the PlayStation 4 for you. If this doesn't work or you want to manually reboot, press the power button on the PlayStation 4 console until you hear a beep and see it turn off, and then you can turn it on again by pressing the same button. Wait for it to be fully powered off, and if you want to be absolutely sure, you can unplug it from the wall after you power it off the first time. Give it some minutes, and after it has been fully powered off, then turn it on again and connect your controller. Now, if your controller is still giving you trouble, double check the connection. If you are using it wirelessly, then what I would recommend is to grab a cable like this one. You plug one end of the cable into the controller. This is usually going to be the charging cable, and the other one goes into the PlayStation 4 on any of the available ports. Doing a wired connection can also help make sure that the controller is properly recognized by the console, and it can help clear temporary issues. Of course, after you are done making this connection once, you can use it wirelessly, so you just remove the cable and it should stay connected. If it doesn't stay connected, go into the settings and access the Bluetooth devices and double check. Besides this, there's not much else to do. It could be a problem with the controller itself, so if possible, try connecting it to a different device. Go to a PC, try to establish a Bluetooth connection to a PC or a laptop, or using a cable. And if you notice that the same problems also happen, then restarting isn't going to help. It is simply a hardware issue within the controller, and if that's the case, you will simply have to replace it altogether. But you can try resetting the controller by restarting the console, and also through this method here of connecting it with a cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset PlayStation 4 controller without reset button. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.